ये इसके लिए बहुत सारे मल्टी स्टेयर्स हैं।
Yes. It's a beautiful day to go out because today is my parents' anniversary and it's winters with sunshine.
आगे कहाँ से मोड़?
ये वाले रास्ते का नहीं पता मुझे.
कई बार आए।
Where do you think we're driving to? Well, actually, it's nowhere other than the metro station. We'll take this metro and get off at Rajiv Chowk. We haven't thought or planned where to go at Rajiv Chowk, but there are so many places to explore, so let's go. From the station we took an auto towards Agrasen ki Bauli, and the auto wala took 100 rupees, which was too much for such short distance, but I was with my parents, so I wanted to go with auto only. स्माइल करिए पापा. स्माइल. The sun, it was setting as we reached here, and the place was very quiet, peaceful, and calm as well. This was quite abnormal for Indian tourist place, but as this was not on weekends, so we were relieved. There were a lot of foreigners too with their guide who were visiting this place. Agrasen ki Bawdi. Papa.
घूमने चलते हैं।
हाँ.
ये है अग्रसेन की बावड़ी। ये इसके लिए बहुत सारे मल्टी स्टेयर्स हैं।
Yes.
उतरिए और पास में चलते हैं।
This place is actually very famous because lot of movies are shot here, and obviously this is good place for clicking the pictures and matching aesthetics, you know. Yay!
कोई ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पे भीड़ नहीं होती।
यार आज तो फिर भी कम है.
खाना दो।
Kabutar, ja. There were a lot of pigeons to give you company, so you would not feel lonely there. Graffiti wall. After visiting this place, we decided to explore something else, and then we took auto from here and went to somewhere which was recommended by my parents as they saw it on reels. Look at the sun, how beautiful it looked. This place was none other than Saras Food Festival. It was only here for some days, so we were glad that we reached here during the time when it was currently active. Apparently here they are serving foods of every state, and these all foods are going to be amazing, and every famous food is going to be here. So let's see, because I'm a really big foodie, to be honest. As soon as I entered, I saw the decorations were really pretty, so I was really fascinated. And there were news anchors who were interviewing people about how good the food festival is.
ये
कहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है? यूपी में शुगर बना, एमपी में पोहा बना. पोहा. And as soon as we saw the food counters, we saw too much rush too, because everybody wanted the food and it was very tasty. For instance, this is the Uttarakhand stall, and everything was cooked very freshly and instantly that I wanted to eat everything. Especially my appetite goes very high in winter. To eat anything here, you just have to buy this bracelet and feed money into this bracelet only, which is like ticket, pass or token, and then you can buy at any counter. It would really interest you to not just eat food but to see how they make different things in different ways. Like they had different processes they follow. And what I really love about this place is how I can still see these buildings of CP and roam into the alive while being in food festival like this.
CP Food Festival.
The more I saw this place, the more I was getting immersed in the beauty of the vibe and decoration and how it has this fair vibe. No wonder it was called Food Festival. It was truly a festival of food.
इतनी प्यारी प्यारी गैया. CP की पिलर्स भी दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, है ना? लखपति देवी, बिहार, मटन, गुलगुला.
यहाँ बंदर है बट वो पता नहीं कैमरे में दिखेंगे नहीं, बट देयर वर मेनी बंदर. अंडमान एंड निकोबार. There are too many shops about different states as well. I want to name all the food of all the stalls, but it would be impossible for me because there are so many. For instance, this is the Odisha wala stall, and they had the drawings of similar kind too in their stall, which is interesting. So this is the northeast zone that we are going inside. Look at these kindles and umbrellas decorated. This is beautiful. I hope you can find the stall of your own state while watching this video, and there are stalls of every state, like no state is left, and I would show you what food I actually ate in this video. There were veg options as well as non-veg options as well, and there was no entry fee, but if you are going to eat anything then you have to pay. For payment you have to use the bracelet method. You have to feed the bracelet with money and they would scan the QR code from the bracelet.
Umbrella. Umbrella. Ella, Ella. Moon. Moon and me. Projector. क्या लिखा है? बकवास खाना.
25-30 राज्यों में, लेकिन
इधर भी है देखो, राजस्थान की
There is every state, but it's impossible to show you every state. Rajasthan.
Even cooks were interviewed here by the newsreaders, and the interesting
ये
thing
ना ऐसे
was
layers
I
में
saw
बनता है,
these
I think.
paintings and look at the pricing.
तेरा किसने बनी थी बड़े जादूगर के लिए? उसके अंदर
जादूगर.
मैं जादू
We ate mirchi wala pakoda, but it was not that good. But this stall was really good. One thing which was really funny is that sometimes I would go and shoot the process of making food, and then they would start making it with such professionalism and like they are literally performing it. Before it was just making the food, but then they put on the performance for the camera, which was really interesting and funny in some kind of way, but the talent and food was amazing. I had this moonglet and it was delight to have in winters, like such warm food in such cold day. And I also had giver from this stall, which was UP stall. After exploring everything, we ended up on North Indian food only, but we did have the pakoda of dal from Uttarakhand as well, so everything was tasty.
आखिरी में we are finally at हनुमान मंदिर, so we are going to go here and call it a day.
And there were too many monkeys over here, but I did not shoot when they were there, otherwise my phone would have gotten stolen. This temple is so famous that there is no space to step a foot over here, but it was night time, so
ऐसी बैरिकेड्स
we were at
लंबे
peace.
लंबे बने हुए हैं।
चैन चावल वाला, और यहाँ थोड़ी मिठाई, मतलब मिठाई के कप थोड़े शॉपिंग, a tattoo studio, and then there is block of CP. I do not know if it's because of Christmas, but it is decorated like. वही तो। Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary, dear mummy, papa. Happy anniversary to you.